Have you ever wondered how far you can ride using Huntsville's Greenway system? Today, you're riding with us as we connect Hayes Farm, Bell Mountain, Huntsville's newest Greenway connector, the Tennessee River Greenway, Ditto Landing, and Aldridge Creek into one family adventure. There's just one problem. Storms are moving in. Let's see if we can make it home before the rain catches us. We're starting today's adventure here at Hayes Farm near the soccer fields. This first stretch is a great way to ease into the ride, and before long we'll be making our way toward Bell Mountain. If this is your first time riding with us, you're in for a great day. One thing you'll notice pretty quickly is how peaceful this section is. You've got ponds, plenty of open space, and some really smooth pavement. It's the kind of trail where you can just relax and enjoy the ride. At least most of us are relaxing. I don't think somebody got the memo. He's had the zoomies since we left the parking lot, and I have a feeling that's not going to change anytime soon. The first section went by pretty quickly. Now we're heading toward the part of the ride we've been looking forward to the most, Huntsville's newest Greenway connector. This connector is one we've been excited to ride because it finally links together sections of Huntsville's Greenway system that used to require riding on busy roads. It's a small addition, but it opens up a lot of possibilities for longer rides like this one. Without the barriers in place yet, it was easy to mistake it for a road.
How you doing?
I realized this was the Greenway.
Yes, it's the Greenway. It's just newly paved.
You can probably tell the clouds are starting to build a little more now, but at this point we still felt like we had plenty of time.
Overcast now.
Now we're joining the Tennessee River Greenway. This is one of my favorite sections because the scenery starts to change.
Okay.
Even though the river stays just off to our right, the summer trees hide most of it, making it feel like you're riding through a quiet forest. We're coming up on the part of the trail he's been waiting for all day. The creek passes under the road here, leaving just enough of a dip to turn an ordinary trail into his favorite little jump. From here, the pavement gives way to gravel, but don't let that fool you. It's still a smooth, comfortable ride, and honestly, it gives this section a completely different character. We always slow down here for just a minute. It's one of the best views along today's ride.
Their air pressure is high. Dad, it's about to pour. The air pressure's high. We have to book it.
Yep, he's still got the zoomies.
Hungerton Jr. Dad, he's the fourth one to the right. That's Hungerton Jr. right there.
All right, break's over. We've still got a long ride home, and that rain is moving in quick.
On your right.
Oh my god, we're heading right into the storm!
We gotta get moving.
I need to see.
Slide the whole way. We gotta get home before it starts pouring on us.
Why? What if she acted to get hurt?
We don't want to leave her behind. Why do you have your mask on?
I'm lying like 3 bugs in my eye.
The rain may have caught us, but it never caught our adventure. What started as a ride to connect Huntsville's greenways turned into one of our favorite family adventures. We may not have beaten the rain, but we made some great memories along the way. Thanks for riding with us today. Until next time, explore more, ride together, make memories. We'll see you on the next Southern Trail adventure.